Welcome to Blizzard Beach! We're here!
Welcome to the water park!
The beach house and got a first visit tattoo. And look at what else they have. The Blizzard Beach pins! These are adorable. So today is my first day at Blizzard Beach, like ever as a guest. I have been working at Blizzard Beach for 4 months. And I still have not been able to come as a guest, but finally the cast member self-admission passes are valid and useful, so finally I'm able to come and enjoy it as a guest because I wasn't about to spend all that money to like come and pay to go to a place that I work. I still haven't done most of the slides. Like most of the slides I'm going to do today is going to be like my very first time doing them. We're going to have so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. Members are doing this thing we are from, and the guests get to write down where we're from. So I'm from Los Angeles.
Very cool.
Texas.
Welcome,
Look at that.
welcome. We love
Count from 5 to 1. Ski count and go!
Nice and loud, everybody. Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Ski captain, go! Woo! Ski captain. Why isn't the ski captain going down? I think they're scared. Oh, yay! There they go. Rope drop.
He was nervous.
Rusty the Joe Man. Let's drive a happy soul. Family raft ride, and look at this view at Animal Kingdom. Good time for family. Backwards. Oh, this is so that's my butt. Hey to Mickey. Got my tube for cool runners. This one seems really fun. Like I work this one all the time. And like, it's just like really chill. Whoa! Here's perfection. Thank you. Right on toboggan racers. Look at how cute these donuts are. They're mini donuts, and then I got a side of chocolate sauce. So I always see these donuts, but I like have never gotten them because like, you know, I've been working all the time and I haven't been able to come as a guest. But every time I pass by this little donut cart, they always smell so delicious. And I'm just so excited to have them. Okay, everybody ready?
Am I gonna die?
No, we're not gonna die. Or maybe. Hey there. The most perfect lifeguard there ever was.
and ever will be.
Yep. My heart. Okay, so right now we're on the chairlift, about to go on Slush Gusher. And oh my goodness, I'm so scared. I have not been on Slush Gusher or Summit Plummet. So what I always tell the guests is that Slush Gusher is scarier than Summit Plummet. I'm gonna test that out for myself today to see if it's actually true from what I've heard from like other cast members and guests that Slush Gusher is worse. So I'm just like gonna go right for it. Go on Slush Gusher first and then do Summit Plummet afterwards because like, you know, just gotta build up to it because I'm really slow. Cause it's tall. And I don't like drops, but you know what? I'm sure it'll be fine. Going to my doom, Slush Gusher. Ah!
Big push.
Yes, Sarah! My friends are telling me it's gonna be okay, and I know it's gonna be okay, but I'm still scared. Let's go, Amanda!
You got it. Oh, I didn't know.
How are you feeling?
Not good.
Not good.
I already know.
You're gonna catch so much air.
Who's next? Lean back, keep your arms crossed.
Hey, feet off.
There we go.
How can you be in pants?
What?
So often.
No, I don't know.
My turn. I don't like it. I'm scared. Just got off Slush. It was scary. I honestly don't remember it much because I was scared. So I kind of disassociated a little bit. I don't think I caught that much air. And you know what? Maybe I'll do it again. Maybe. But I'm still nervous. And then like my friends just wanted to go immediately to Summit Plummet. So I'll be going down Summit Plummet. Here we go. Summit Plummet. I'm so scared. Like, I didn't think I would be as terrified as I am right now because like every time I'm up there, like working the slide, I'm just like, whatever, like I could go down right now and it'll be fine. But like knowing that I'm gonna go down, now that's different. Whew. Okay, let me show you the best view in all of Disney parks. And that'll help me feel better because it's just beautiful. Look, there's Animal Kingdom, and trust me, the view is much better in person. And you know, like there's, like you can even see the castle. I know you can't see it from here, but like there it is. And then, look, Hollywood Studios. And then you can see the rest of Blizzard. I love working up here. I love it, I love it. They're cheering me on. On me next! Yes! There go, Sam! Hey, I know what y'all are thinking. Did she do Summit? Yes, I did! I did it. And I was literally at the top of Summit for like a whole minute. Or maybe more. I don't know. Because I was like scared to go down because like you have to push yourself down. So I'm just like there. And I felt bad for the slide out because he looked a little annoyed. He was like, just go down. I'm like, I'm sorry, I can't just go down. But you know what? It's fine. I did it. When I got to the bottom, I cried a little bit, but you know, it's fine. It was just like mostly like nervousness, not because the slide was bad, but just because I was just so nervous. Would I be able to do it again? Yeah. And now here's for the real question. Is Slush or Summit worse? I can't tell you, but I will tell you that I think that Downhill Double Dipper is probably worse than both of them. So there you have it. So cute, the cast members that drew these. Okay, y'all, I know I'm back at Flamingo right now, but I just picked up a Christmas shift, me and my friend, on the hub. So we just like ran out of Blizzard and we just like came really quickly because we have to get our costumes and costuming clothes soon. So that's why like the vlog probably ended up so abruptly. But thank you so much for watching, and I had so much fun today at Blizzard Beach, especially since it was like my first time ever as a guest. I got this cute little thing right here. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll ski on the slopes. Bye.